Join us for our foraging courses where I'll take you around our farm. We'll be exploring a range of different things that we can forage, from herbs and remedies to edible goodies such as hawthorn berries. I'll probably be teaching you practical and introductory foraging mainly. My aim is to give you the enthusiasm and confidence to get out there and find a few things that are easy to identify, safe, and hopefully fairly tasty. Foraging is surprisingly easy once you have a bit of confidence and a bit of knowledge. For example, even without taking a single step, we can find things like dandelions, which are edible both in the flowers, the roots, and the leaves. We've got other salad leaves like clover. You're not going to poison yourself with clover. And then even behind me here, we have bulrushes and reeds, which are in fact edible, although they take a bit of preparation, and it depends on how clean the water is where you're harvesting it. I'll take you around the farm. We'll definitely be finding about 10 to 20 different items. Hopefully all of them will be edible, although there'll definitely be a couple of poisonous ones there to show you. If we're lucky, we'll find some mushrooms, although they only hang around for a couple of days because they are very weather dependent. If it's dry, the mushrooms don't come. If it's wet, you've got a sweet spot window where they're lovely and edible before the other nature comes and eats them. We'll focus on how to harvest safely, how to dry and store, how to preserve mushrooms and other plants, and of course how to use them for medicinal and general food purposes. After this course, you'll hopefully leave with enough knowledge and confidence that you'll be able to go out, find a few yourself, and slowly grow your own expertise. Foraging really isn't a difficult skill, and it's a hobby that has a lot of other benefits, from peace of mind, memory training, and just general light exercise. It's an activity that I really recommend that everyone gets a little bit of their hand in, gets a bit of experience, and opens their eyes to the world around them. When you start looking, you'll find so much around you. If you go for a walk with me, you can't take a step without finding dock leaf, which is edible, although also used to help with sting nettles. We'll go into that on the course. Clover, plantain, which is amazing for your skin. Dandelions, willow here contains natural forming aspirin. Literally just a few meters and you've already found a small basketful.